Hi, I've just arrived at the National Incubation Center, and what can I say but oh my God, this is not what I was expecting. I thought I was going to see some shack in a mud hut somewhere with a couple of laptops, and I've come into the most modern facility I've seen in Pakistan. If this is what we are offering young and up-and-coming entrepreneurs, all I can say, I only wish I had this opportunity when I was starting a business. This, I can tell you, as a facility, is world class.
I think in short, I was blown away. The quality of pitches, the quality of ideas, and the diversity of startups was fascinating. I saw startups that were doing healthcare, that were doing e-commerce, that were doing deliveries, that were doing energy, and it was just very, very encouraging to see so much innovation and creativity in Peshawar and in KP. So yes, I'm blown away and looking forward to all of these things coming to life in a much bigger way. The only advice that I would give is just make sure that you're very, very close to the customer. Just keep listening to the customer, keep iterating your products, and make sure that you build an awesome team to help you scale and build a business out of these products. But I'd love to be here again. It was really an insightful and learning experience for myself.